All right, we're going to do a song. It's a little piece of a lot of songs in our album. It's called The Medley.
We are the sons of harmony. We are the sons of harmony.
We are the sons of harmony. We are the sons of harmony. We are the sons of harmony. Ooh, you can't hold me close and whisper all the words I want to hear. And you can't tell me all my crazy doubts are gonna disappear. I don't want your love, I don't want it, if your heart isn't in it. And I dream of what you could be, in my heart, loving you, loving me, by your side every night, I will stay, 'cause I don't want to feel like, yeah, I know you feel me, yeah, you know we gotta treat the ladies right, yeah. Baby, wake me up if I'm dreaming, 'cause I can seem to get you off my mind. Crushing kisses so candy sweet, sweet, begging you on my knees, nay, loving you head to toe. Oh, oh, I'm crushing on you, baby, baby, baby. Every life full of dreams and wishes, every promise made having to come true. How would anyone know that pain existed? How would anyone know that I miss you? I would give you everything in my heart that I have. Love you more than anything in this world. Baby, there is nothing I wouldn't do if you were my girl. Baby, I can see. Tell me why you stay. What you need to know, I'll be there. Let's get this thing started. We just came to party, get crazy in everything we do. We're the sons of harmony, so baby you will see we turn it out in everything we do. We are the sons of harmony.
Okay, Mack on the end, Kevin, Brandon, and Marcos.
Oh, that's awesome. And they're going to be huge stars.
And you're going to say, I was sitting in a hospital one day and they came in and your friends are going to go, no you didn't.
3 years ago, we did the same thing with Backstreet Boys.
That's what I was telling.
And nobody knew who the Backstreet Boys were.
That's right, they did just this exact same thing.
They sure did. Wow.
Except they didn't enjoy it quite so much.
That's right. They weren't quite as good.
And there were 5 of them. And there were 4 of them.
They probably did it with music, not on their phones.
Yeah, well they needed that to cover it up. Yeah. Kevin wore a skirt.
Yeah.
He made me this long skirt on the field.
Oh. Well, we've got some t-shirts and stuff for you guys.
Hey.
I was about to say, I was like, what about you? How about right now? Okay.
You better with it. How about I just try again?
Oh, yeah.
It was an interesting process.
Okay, that was it.
Very
You should have done mine by it.
Quiet on the set, everybody. Quiet, everyone. Here we go. No one can That was great. Give her a hand.
Yeah!
That's right.
Laid up for them. Aspiring artists.
I think you're. Come here, you guys. Marcos, come on over here a minute.
I'm going.
What's that first line?
We're ready.
BJ, what is that? Oh, BJ, what is BJ?
You ready?
I would say BJ.
When no one is around, say, baby, I love
Bernardo, sing your
you.
key.
You ain't running game. You acting kind of shady and calling me baby. Why the sudden change? When no one is around you, say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. You acting kind of shady and calling me baby. Why the sudden change?
That was awesome. You tried to work really hard on it? You did a great job. Beautiful.
I'm sorry, Alex.
Bye, Dallas.
Sick, and I know Alpha kids are such when you're sick, you know. Got a fever, and had to get a shot, and he broke out in a rash, and he's allergic.
So shot.
It's true.
Have you signed up for it?
Don't get the magic marker. I can get it.
Squeeze in here.
Hi, would y'all need a picture? You want a picture? You don't have to. You don't have to. Go on. What's your name? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the face. Janine, Janine. Please spell
My name is not Brandon.
Will? Will Robinson?
There you go. That's why I didn't first name.
You know, when they were having so now when it's going to be y'all,
All right.
why wasn't I really watching?
That would be great.
Why was I saying that?
Really?
One of them got sick, so they were like, they called us up. We opened up for Destiny's Child. Do more stuff with them.
No, get it.
Come on, honey. And that way you can take it home. She's really not fine.
Oh.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Tom. What's your name?
I'm nothing to be scared of. You can laugh at me.
Nice to meet you, man. How you doing?
When I
You're going to Carolina. You're not going to stay here much longer, are you? Let you out. You got a girlfriend? No? She really wants to hear her take a shit. How women around?
Great job on that
name.
song. That's Daddy.
You're a good singer. You can be famous. What's your name? E-L-E-A. When were you there? I get everybody excited. Hey girl, you're a good singer. You practice? Oh yeah? Yeah, mine. Oh, okay. I know we're gonna go. You want me to sign that too? You know the name?
Yeah. Right here, aren't they? Yeah. They're standing right here. Your name's like that.
No.
Well, he is 10 years in total.
Dad drinks all day.
Mama will sit there with you and take your picture on the boy. Yeah, get your picture taken.
You will.
Brandon.
Hey, Brandon, take pictures with us.
Oh, of course.
Will.
You go. Hey, Willie. No, I can hear it for you. Theory on it? No, that's good.
I've got a couple of them. We're not sure.
You could throw me in my
You're fine, you're fine. I'm just gonna take that. We can take one.
I was shy too. Anytime I met
Come on, Will,
somebody,
check
like,
the teeth. Check the teeth.
yeah. Our little boy would be right now.
Come on, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm so envious.
There you go, that's a half smile, we'll take it.
Yeah.
We'll take that.
boy.
Get over your nose.
Do you want to get one too? Do you want to get one too? Watch out, kids. Don't
I can be by you, you promise? Is that okay? Am I allowed to be in it? No. You doing okay, man?
It's fine. You can do it. It's fine.
There's that strong
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Circling around in there.
Ready? Snap one of you guys. Can I get it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, you should.
I would never wear eye makeup. Actually, I was in a musical once. And,
Oh, we get it, okay.
I guess I was in a fashion show. I did the runaway thing. They put like
Almond
dark. No, they put dark shadow under my eyes to make me look like Egyptian, sort of.
They gave you brandy eyes.
Give me brandy eyes. Yeah, they threw the eye all out here. Put them over here.
You ready to go room to room? Thank you. It's very nice to meet you. Just sing.
Take off and try.
Would you like us to sing some point? That'd be cool.
Look, I lost my bag.
Oh, where are they? I'm not good. I like it. Come on.
Jay, we'll do that.
Oh, okay.
I don't feel like my
I always feel like my I know, it's both guys, huh?
I know, they're singing all these love songs to boys, and the boys are like, what
Whatever.
is this?
Hey, maybe not that bad.
Maybe cool.
Do you live around here? Where do you live? East Walk? East Walk. Where's that?
East Walkeny.
East Tawakoni.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Lake Walkeny.
It's on the lake.
80 miles east of here.
Remember I called it Tawakoni one time?
Yeah, I remember that. That was a sad day in the history of
I've
radio.
never heard of it before.
Tawakoni.
Tawakoni, maybe that's
So,
what I said.
have you ever heard of Kiss FM? You ever heard of the station? You can hear it down there, maybe?
The Tawakoni tribe.
Well, we do the morning show on that station. We come up here and visit people that are here, and we bring some harmony with us because they're big recording artists. Like just you. Well, they won't sing too long. We'll show theirs.
The love song.
Yeah, where's this one? What are we gonna do? Maybe. Maybe again? I had to think about it, and it didn't click. Then you said it.
You
don't wanna take it? Oh, you want to do it one?
Speaking of Limp Bizkit.
Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it next time so we can practice it all.
There you go.
Okay, this one.
I need
Not
a
a love song.
I need to have a part here, though. Give me a part.
Oh, Kidd, you're awesome.
Okay, we're about.
Oh,
God. All right, Kelly needs a part. Hold on. Kelly, come on. Let's get this thing started. Then what? I need the word. Get this thing started. We just came to party. Get everything we do. We're gonna party. I'm ready.
This is gonna be a
Kelly,
disaster.
One, two, three, four.
Let's get this thing started. We just came to party, get crazy in everything we do. We're the sons of harmony. Soon, baby, you will see we turn it out in everything we do.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm here already. Thank you. Thank you, Houston.
Oh, man. Kidd, I think I pulled it already.
Oh, t-shirt for you.
Nobody told me to do old.
Thanks, man.
Nobody told me.
I could be in a really old boy band.
I hate to say this. My wife met him when she was his age.
She's not my age anymore? What happened?
No, when she was my son's age.
Oh, when she was his age.
What are you doing, Brandon? It's a boat.
A Viking ship.
It's a Viking ship. How did you do that?
I don't know. I just started drawing it and trying to make it something.
Very, very weird mind there, Brandon.
Well,
Oh my lord. You're just awful.
He's okay.
Sit it down somewhere.
No, because he's not wanting to spell his name.
oh, I know. Not a problem.
You better hurry, we're leaving.
Hurry, Brandon.
Brandon, you're so weird.
Bye, guys.
Thanks. Bye. Here you go. Thank you very much.
Where do you go to school?
Okay, I was
You live in Paris? Wow, that's a long commute.
You are beautiful.
Where you won't have a care, and for once you can forget about tomorrow. I wanna take you there. I wanna take you there, where everything is right within your world tonight. So right, yeah. Take care. You'll always be the lady in my life.
Of course, yeah, we'll stop there. Okay.
You gotta do that. Here, I'll take.
Go ahead.
Lighting the light, there'll be no darkness tonight. Diana will shine, lighting the light. Just
I can make you feel alright. Baby, through the years, even when we're older gray, I will love you more each day, 'cause you will always be the lady in my life.
Yay!
Too bad you have a fever. They come in there and kiss all over you.
This is a group that was started called Sons of Harmony. That are about to be, have you heard of Sons of Harmony? They're going to be famous, and they're going to sing just for you. C-O-L-T-O-N. Okay? So when you see them on TV, like the Backstreet Boys and NSYNC, you can say they were in my room and they sang just to me. Okay? You ready?
Now they're going to sing you a love song.
No, they're not going to sing a love song. Who's singing? You were singing.
Maybe. Oh, what are we doing?
You're singing In the Still of the Night.
Okay.
Thanks.
One, two, three.
Hey, Colton, we're going to leave this t-shirt for you, okay?
Thank you.
There you go. We'll just throw it on that chair.
Colton, you want a picture with everybody?
Do you want me to take a picture with so you can take it home?
Yeah, that'd be great.
You can prove that you actually met him.
Okay. All right. Get that smile ready. Give me a sweet bite. You get in there?
Brandon, you got to get in there, man. Just go ahead and knock those wires out.
Yeah, don't worry, those aren't important.
He won't mind.
All right, you ready? Oh, yeah.
Carefully.
Get right over here and see if I can get it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cool.
Let's do one more.
great.
One more.
I heard a speaker and I thought I like pushed the button. The reason I was John. J-Mac knows the reason I
Yeah, we were trying to figure out where the
when I
eject
hear
button was
phone
earlier.
ring, I just go crazy.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Perfect.
Right.
All right.
Thanks, Colton. See you
Thanks a
later.
lot, gentlemen.
Thanks, Colton.
Appreciate it.
Bye, Mr. Colton.
I'll be right back. 1, 2.
It's Kidd Kraddick in the morning on Kiss FM. We'll be right back.
See, it is him. Well, there's another one. A black guy, white guy, 2 white guys in this.
Can y'all sing
Hard to
something
pull it
that
off.
has like 2 sentences?
Huh?
A longer song?
Let's sing something.
What you do? I know what you love. I don't want your love, I don't want it. If your heart isn't in it, I don't want your love, I don't need it. Till I know that you mean it. And I dream of what we could be. In my heart, telling you me by your side every night. I can stay.
'cause I don't want to die. Excellent.
Good luck, no,